See that new bridges have formed, and in fact old ones have been destroyed, just as happens anywhere else. And the question is now, today, if we were to walk across this bridge structure right here, could we get to every island, right? Could we get everywhere and cross every bridge by only crossing each bridge once? So part of the solution to this problem is to draw a graph and represent what's happening. Here you'll notice, that there are no longer 7 bridges, but 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 bridges connecting the islands and landmass. So the graph now is going to change. Here, this island right here, we'll call it landmass 1, and here's landmass 2, maybe 3 and 4. So L1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 4. So L1 is going to be right here, right? It's a landmass. And then from there are 1, 2, 3, 4 bridges. So one of the bridges connects directly to landmass 2. And then from landmass 2, there are 2 bridges going down to here, this landmass, L4, and also 2 bridges going up. So very similar actually to our original graph so far. And there's a bridge going from this landmass up here, and there's a bridge going down to this landmass. But now there's also a bridge, a second bridge connecting these 2 landmasses. Fix these islands. And also there's another landmass, a bridge connecting these 2 islands. So we have, I think the big change here is this landmass, this island right here, going from landmass 1 down to landmass 4. And I'm going to erase this little landmass 1 that I wrote because it's confusing me. So can we get from one island to another, crossing every bridge only once? Well, I'm going to write the degree of every island in the graph. In other words, how many bridges are actually extending out from each of those islands. 2, 4, 5. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I think we're looking good because we have exactly 2 vertices of an odd degree. And if you remember what we talked about in other videos or have had experience with this before, Euler points out that if you have 2 vertices of odd degree, there is a way to actually find a path. Not a circuit, you can't get back to the island you started from, but you can start at an island and walk to all the others. Now you want to start at one of the odd islands, and I try to explain the odd degree islands because you really it's about leaving, coming back again. That odd number that tells me I have to actually do that. And you can look into other videos to explain it. I just want to show the path here. So I want to start at either island. I want to start in the middle here, an odd degree island. I'm going to walk up to this island on top, walk back down, loop back up to the middle, go back up to the top, right? Go back to this island all the way over here, and then keep going, right? Now you can see it already. I come down to this island, and there's enough bridges to leave, and then come back again. So we've always enabled ourselves to do that just by adding in that extra bridge, right? So that the bridges here, especially the degree of this vertex right here, really helps us. And now this walk becomes possible. All right.